Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we have Terry's 67 Camaro back in. Wow. Quarters on it, and then him and his buddies painted it, and I think it turned out awesome. I mean, that color is like obnoxiously awesome with the black, no bumpers, shaved emblems. I like it a lot. Anyways, it's here for interior work. It's kind of a combo of us doing custom stuff to line up with the stuff that was already bought. The TMI bucket seats, and we bought a second pair of bucket seats for the back that we just are using the foam and most of the vinyl for, but the foam has to be fitted and notched along here because it's mini tubbed. Originally, we did a rear seat delete and baggage tray, and now he wants some, I guess, faux back seats, because unless you're like 3 years old or really short, you're not really sitting in that with the roll bar, but it'll look pretty bitchin' when it's done. We're modifying the interior panels to match the seats that have already been done. And he built a center console that I have on the workbench, but it's made to fit around the shifter and his little programmer. So let me show you that quick. He had it built. It's pretty basic, but it's aluminum, so it's pretty lightweight. It came in here just as an aluminum shell, and we obviously wrapped it, but I made these bezels. That's the bezel for the shifter, obviously. Little storage compartment. Super simple, super clean. So it's the vinyl carbon fiber, black vinyl, and then black suede. So there's 3 different blacks that are in the car, and we're going to tie it all together between what was bought and what we're going to blend in and make it all look like it belongs. Got the back seat foam fitted on the passenger side. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. It looks like it belongs there. Let me show you from the front. That's pretty hard to see with that shiny windshield, but it sits in there real nice. Let me pull them out, and I'll show you against the other ones that are not cut yet, just to show you how much had to be shaved off for the mini tubs. So, how it came, what had to be shaved. This side here, this lip had to be shaved. And then on the bottom, not much at all. not much. Off the back we took, well, I guess it was quite a bit. Probably 4 inches off the back, and then notched it a little bit for the floor pan. And this lip here too. See that overhang? Always takes a while to fit one side because I like to creep up on it. I hate to cut too much off and then have to glue back on or buy another one. But once you got it figured out, the second one goes super quick. Also had to recontour the bolsters since that was cut short here and there, and contoured it to the upper bolster so it fits in there like a glove. We are done with our part of the Camaro project. Interior. The seats are pre-bought TMI pieces with their seat brackets bolted in. We bought a second set for the rear, and we only used the vinyl suede and the foam. We modified the backside of the foam to fit the mini tubs and the floor pan and the roll cage. We made door panels and interior quarter panels to match the seats. Same stitch pattern, vinyl suede, a little bit of carbon fiber on the bottom because we wrapped the center console in carbon fiber. The tops of the doors and the quarter panels are factory. Stainless trim is factory, but obviously we blacked it out to match the blacked out interior. Center console was pre-made by the owner, the base of it, structure of it. We added the bezels and the lid, little glove box, latch assembly, magnetic cup holders, put those in. The back, we previously did a seat delete, and these rear bucket seats are removable, very easily removable. The back window trim we wrapped. We used button head Allens for the rear seat delete install. We also used those on the bottom of the door panels, and we made these dash filler pieces. There's a big hole here for access for when the roll cage was installed, so we bent up, shaped some nice aluminum panels, curves at the bottom. There's a little bit of a compound curve right here, bolted in with the button head Allen hardware. I do like hardware exposed if it's cool hardware. We wouldn't do this if it was just Phillips heads. That'd be kind of boring. But I do like the industrial look of cool hardware. The carpet and the headliner was already installed. I do like blending different pieces together and making it look like it all belongs. It's a pretty fun challenge. Super happy with how it came out. TMI does make their version of door panels to go with the seats, but we weren't really digging the look of theirs, so we made our own. Little bit of custom, little bit of warehouse custom with the seats, blended with some factory pieces. She's done. Ready to run. Look at that motor. Built LS. Rack and pinion. Tubular control arms. Adjustable coilovers. All the good go fast stuff. Outside. Camaro. Ooh. What's that? Camaro. That pearl orange. Even when it's hazy out, sun ain't even hitting it. Look at that light up. Might be even more obvious with the haze. Love that color. Against the black, it is mean. So mean. Look at that rubber under there. Serious car. Shaved bumpers. Super clean. Clean and mean. Carbon fiber. Caged up. Caged with a nice interior. All right. I'm sure the Camaro purists are just not into this car at all, but me, it is mean. I'm usually not a Camaro guy. I like the Trans Ams and the Firebirds a little more, but this has got just a mean amount of aggressiveness. Look at that. There's sun creeping out now. Okay. Let me know what you guys think of the killer Camaro. Did the interior. We did quarters on it a couple years ago. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe would be great. And we'll move on to the next one.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. Thank you. Even though it is a Camaro and not a Mustang, I know Christy loves the color.